Ki kunhun seng beper ka school ba North Eastern Hill University nehu haka arku artri jemang kila banjur hakmat ki arngut ki he officer na ka Ministry of Education halor ke jingdawa banweng no Mardoria u Vice Chancellor Professor UPS Shukla haka jingwan jungo ka jongki ban bishar kam halor ka jingtre kam jong ke nek school ba u Additional Secretary Sunil Kumar Branwal Department of Higher Education Lembar u Director Subrat Kumar Pradhan Department of Higher Education ki bedai na ka Ministry of Education kila kentaj ban yatu ya ka jingmi na ki jingyalang ka jongki bat ki kedhun beper jong ka school ba ka bakentop ya ki nohikai ki samla puli bat ki nong tre u Banwal ula shupun pau da ka baong ba kene ka jingyalang ka long ka bayaj be ya irti bat ka babha hashwa ba unmi no na ka administrative block ngala syong ha ka jingyalang ka wasngot nat bat ki nohikai baro ki din head jong ki department ka dei ka jingsyam ka wasngot nat bat ka jingyalang ka long kumba julong bat nginang tre khambha ong u Additional Secretary.
Yes, I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the department, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
So when are you submitting? When are you submitting?
So much time to submit the report.
Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor Hadian ka jingyalang u President ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehuta u Professor Lakhon Kuma ula ong baka jingyalang ka long ka basaiso ka kunhun kalawan hang ne ban bishar bnya ya ka jinglong jiman bat kumnong i penya ya ki kam klem ka jingdon u BC Bapura ka Nehuta kalapun sngoru halor baro ka jing e Ahmad jong ka ne ka kunhun ula pentip Ngilapun pau syai kedar ba ka jingwan pajong u Professor Shukla Shah ka nek school ba kam dei badlong kelenti ong u Professor Kuma. Haba kali u President ka Nehuta ula ong ba ka nek kenduhun ki he officer ba ki kenduhun seng beper jong ka school ba ki angnut ban la ban weng no ya ka nek kenrum kenram ka badang yai beteng hapo ka nek school ba. Ula ong ru ba ka kenduhun kadang penkre iki sinjang Henry ya ka ne kindang syem ya karai. Ki officer MOE ru ki pentip ba kamlong shu kabala bansha ya ka jingwan pai jong u Professor Shukla Shapo ka campus kumtang ngi scam ba hadien ka de ka jingyalang bat ki namar layo I kum bapau ba ki long ki bakloi ban wat ya kilat kilenti nang ba ka nehu kan wan pai biang sha ka jinglong jingman ka baya ibe kum ba julong ong u Professor Kuma ha ka bai de ber ka jingya jong ka jing toket balatung da ka MOE halor ka jing kenno bamla tre kam ki bor penyat ka nehu u Professor Kuma ula ong ngila keli bat kini ki officer ka MOE kila ong ba kila pendep ya kijing toket bat ngidang bishar ya kani Henry layo I kumba kila dep ban syem ya karai Henry kim syem la pentep hangi halor kani karai ula ong ru ba Professor Shukla syem lawan Satyasha ka jingyalang bat ka Pro Vice Chancellor ka Professor SM Sungo ka dei ka bala penbet lot ya kijingdon kam ki bay dei bat kani ka jingyalang hapdeng ka kunhon na Delhi bat kiseng beper jong ka school ba nehu.
It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation that how we are doing with or without the regular VC and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know what is important. I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve this matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nehusu and after that Nihunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would I don't want to add anything more, because things are only evolving, because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. Indeed, we have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply, because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us, because we indeed started the meeting, that before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry, we are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind, but what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee. No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper, or it will be appropriate for him, because this committee independently came here to assess the situation, that when he is not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in Nehu, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Habapun pau ya kajing snowhun ha dian kajing elang Vice President ka Nehu su usamla Riki Deiburom Rabon ulaong kajing elang ka long ka basno tanan bat ngi ay ya kajing ya ro ya ka kunhun ka ministry ke balawan syakani ka university ban sngap bat sya skor ya kajing jongi namar baro shikatangi dang yai ap ya kajing penbe ka ban lam sya kajing bha ho onyi kermen ba ngin sayo ya karai ka ba pediang da baro ki kunhun seng jong ka school ba kajing dawa ka jongi ka long kumju kumbalong hakipor ki beladap kata bangyang scam la ka long kumno ru ngin pediang shu da lelei ru ya Professor Shukla hapo ka university ka jongi bat wat kinong shong ka Meghalaya ru kilapan benaya kum ubriu ubakim pediang shu kumtang yim pediang shu ya la ka long hakanu kanu ka rukom ru ula benram
Ila dan jungtip ba kinwan na ministry ban pa ya kan ka university jungi ma te man betip hi ila ya san ya kasithi ya borok stakeholder jong kan university jungi ban lang ban bat bet ya betul ka mangrim jungi bagi nam sya so kan ya Shukla kan no te mentahi lang kejungwan juki ngila appreciate sya ki bikilawan namba long katkum kajing ong joki kila ong hiba kani kajingwan joki amdai bagi wan bagi employer no iwan man ai kata ke resolution kebangi ngila up na do meno te ngiru ngila don hi kajing kerman ba kani kajingwan joki kan wan rak ke result ke bolong ba accept da barok ki stakeholder jong university katkum ka joki juni ya ke report ke Islam te kita tengin la raban ong no tamba resolution ru menta kidang ong kila ong hingi kila kular hingi ba ki ong ba ladami kanu kata ke resolution ru kalong ba ke bahar kata joni katahi kat kumbang ong hi ba resolution kalong ba kalong ke bahar bat ni kerman ba ya Shukla kinam ailat su bat lada long ke result ke balong oppose ngi pat ke bangi musno tenan te kata hingi tengin yang scam ba yo Shukla tada lelero nginum syari yo benro ha ni kelihi tang ba kiong ba kila simaksani halor keturu tang ba kesimpor badan gi problem basato sene takadaw ka kasdam gen te kibe pat ki agenda nila ya tu iki ba mentahi ke university long nuduk ba bomdon Shukla gen kala long kam smooth ke jingyat ke proses nila yo ki development ki badru ngila batay ki ba ki labs ai ginohika ai recruitment ai ba kila slow palat te kituro kila sengap hingi ka kadon kata ke mutual understanding ba batngi bati hapor bayakan kila snotho hi kata batki ang ba kinle ai ke badam kam hoi yo ka arkan council lang kila accept na ministry barkala ya smooth hi menen barkikam kiba la disrupt na do ko to kapor ma bala lang to kan council bala last year ta kala ya inta